Hi everyone, good time. Let's crochet these beautiful daisy granny squares. For this project, I'm using Alize cotton gold yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Let's start. To begin, make a magic ring. Chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as one double crochet. One double crochet into the ring, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. Chain 1. 2 double crochet together into the ring, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Don't complete the double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Now I have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops and chain 1. I have a cluster of 2 double crochet together. Repeat the pattern. 2 double crochet together. Chain 1. In fact, I have 3 clusters right now. Repeat the pattern until you have 8 clusters. I have the 8 clusters, close the ring, and a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Skip the chains on top of the first double crochet. And for a slip stitch, insert the hook into this stitch, pull up the yarn, and pull it through this loop on the hook too. Now fasten off. Round 2, make a slip knot and join the yarn into one of the 1 chain spaces. For example, here. Join it here. And chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This chain 4 is considered as one treble crochet. Create 4 trebles into the same space. For trebles, yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the space and pull up the yarn. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the second 2 loops. And yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. In fact, I have 2 trebles right now. Continue until you have 5 trebles. Pull the hook out of the loop and insert it on top of the first treble. Now take the loop and pull this loop through this stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Go to the next 1 chain space and create 5 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 5 trebles. Leave the loop, insert the hook on top of the first treble and take the loop and pull it through this stitch. Chain 3. This is my pattern, creating popcorns into each one chain space. At the end, after having 3 chains, slip a stitch into the 4th chain of the first 4 chains. Here. My daisy flower is created and it has 8 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fasten off. Round 3. Make a slip knot. Join your yarn into one of the 3 chain spaces. For example, I'm joining here. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 is considered as one double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Don't complete it. Yarn over, insert the hook into the space, pull up the yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Now yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. In fact, I have 3 double crochet together. Chain 2. Single crochet into the next space. Chain 2. Another single crochet into the same space. Chain 2. One space, I have 3 double crochet together. Into this one, I have single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2. Into next space, I'm going to create my first corner. 3 double crochet together. Don't complete. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over and pull it through all 4 loops. Chain 2. Create another cluster here. 3 double crochet together. Yarn over and then chain 2. This is my first corner. Into the next space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2. Into the next space, I'm creating my next corner. 3 double crochet together. Chain 2. And 3 double crochet together again. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2. Consider that there is chain 2 after each stitch. This is the second corner. And repeat this pattern by the end. In one space, create 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 2. Into the next space, create the next corner. 3 double crochet together, chain 2, and 3 double crochet together. Into the last space, I've already have one cluster. Look at here. This is my last corner. Create another clusters of 3 double crochet together. 2, 3, chain 2, and now slip stitch into the third chain of the first 3 chains of the beginning of the round. And fasten off. Round 4, join the yarn into one corner. For example, here, chain 3. This is considered as one double crochet. Add 2 more double crochet into the same space. I have 3 double crochet. Go into the next space and create 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into the next space between the single crochets, create 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Into the next space between the single crochet and the next cluster, 3 double crochet. Between the 2 clusters into my corner, 3 double crochet. I have 5 clusters on this side. Now chain 2 and 3 more double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. This is the first corner. And repeat this pattern by the end. 3 double crochet into chain 2 spaces here, here, here. And for the corners, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. At the end, go to the first space. I have 3 double crochet inside. Add 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 and fasten off. For bigger sizes, don't fasten off and just repeat round 4. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't miss the next tutorials on how to turn these granny squares into an AirPod pouch. Then don't forget to subscribe to watch the other tutorials. Happy crochet!